Alright, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new brushless handheld vacuum. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. User manual. The main piece is right here. Pretty heavy duty. All right, got all the accessories out, but just one thing I do want to point out, these do run on a DeWalt battery. We'll just go ahead and plug that in right here. Perfect. Got power. So now let's actually set it up. All right, so we'll go ahead and actually set it up. I'm going to show you both ways. So you can attach this one, and then we can use like this one. And this can be like for your car. I'll even try it out right here. Pick it up a bit. Very, very cool. And then if we'll go ahead and disconnect this one. And like I said, you are able to interchange these as well. So if you don't want that one and you would prefer this one, you can use this one as well. So quite a bit of attachments to choose from. And then if you're just gonna use it like indoors or something like that, we'll hook up this one. And then this one does extend like that. And then we can use this traditional one right here. Connected, stable, ready to go. So let's try it out. This cordless vacuum is built with a 350 watt brushless motor that delivers 35 kPa of suction power, which is more than enough to pull dirt, dust, and even embedded pet hair out of the thick carpet. You can switch between 3 suction modes depending on how deep of a clean you actually need. What makes it stand out is the motorized floor brush with LED headlights. You can actually see hidden dust and debris that you normally miss in darker areas. The swivel head design lets it move side to side and under furniture, so you're not struggling to get around corners. Even though it's powerful, it's still lightweight enough to use for a full clean without feeling heavy in your hand. It also does work on hardwood floors. The vacuum really shows off its versatility here. The multi-filtration system with filter traps fine dust and allergens so they don't blow back in the air. That makes it especially useful for anyone with allergies or pets. Because of the strong suction and smooth roller, it doesn't scatter crumbs or push debris around like some vacuums do. It actually lifts everything directly into the chamber. And since it's cordless, you can move seamlessly across the room without being tied to an outlet. Plus, it runs on the DeWalt 20-volt battery, the same ones used in power tools. So if you've already owned those, you can swap them out and extend your cleaning time easily. And I'll also leave a link below if you guys are looking for some extra batteries as well. And now let's move on to the sofas. This is where the 7-in-1 convertible design comes into play. You can switch it into handheld vacuum and use the smaller attachments for the upholstery, stairs, curtains, or even your car interior. The crevice tool gets down into tight spaces like couch seams, and the brush tool pulls up hair and dust without damaging fabric. Having the flexibility means you don't need a separate handheld vacuum. It's all built into this one system. After cleaning, emptying the dustbin is simple. The container pops out with one button and the debris empties directly into the trash without you needing to touch anything. The container is designed to be large enough for multiple cleaning sessions so you won't have to stop constantly to empty it. The filtration system is also easy to take out and rinse, which keeps suction strong over time and saves on replacement filters. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new brushless handheld vacuum, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.